In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone on Telegram. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to tap, and what unblocking actually changes so you can get your conversations back on track quickly and confidently. First, open the Telegram app on your device. This works the same whether you're on your phone, tablet, or using Telegram on the web or desktop. Make sure you're signed into the account where the block was set. Next, head to Settings. On most versions of Telegram, you'll get there by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the main menu, then choosing Settings. If you're on a platform that shows a Settings tab or a small gear icon, that takes you to the same place. The key is just getting into your account's settings area. Inside Settings, select Privacy and Security. This section controls who can find you, who can contact you, and importantly for today, who you've blocked. It's a good spot to remember for future privacy tweaks. At the top of the Privacy and Security page, tap Blocked Users. This opens a list of every contact you've blocked on Telegram. If the list is short, you'll see the person right away. If you've blocked multiple people, scroll through to find the right contact. Names usually appear with their profile photo, which helps you spot the correct one faster. Once you've found the person you want to unblock, look for the three dots or a small menu icon next to their name and tap it. From the menu that appears, choose Unblock User. Depending on your device, Telegram may ask you to confirm. Go ahead and confirm to complete the action. That's it. The person is now unblocked. A few helpful notes so you know what to expect. Unblocking restores their ability to message you, call you, and interact with you based on your current privacy settings. They won't be notified that you unblocked them, but if they send you a message, it will go through like normal. Your previous chat history with them doesn't disappear. It stays exactly as it was before. And if you change your mind later, you can come back to the same blocked users list to block them again. To recap, you open Telegram, go to Settings, enter Privacy and Security, open blocked users, find the person, and choose Unblock User. Take a moment afterward to review your privacy settings if needed, and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back in touch smoothly.